Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today we have an interesting pickup. There's sort of a story behind the pickup that I have, but we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. Today we got the Jordan 1 mid reverse, or not reverse, alternate Bred. These came out in December 14th, 2022. So about a month and a half ago-ish, not too long ago. And so this is actually a pretty basic colorway. The color blocking is pretty basic. You got the pretty much majority of black, and then you got splashes of red here. So it's not really a colorway that I do believe these are gonna sit. Right now, obviously retail, $125 for your standard edition Jordan 1 mids. Retail, they're actually going for about $110 for a size 12. Check out your size. If you do like these, I would check out your size now because they are under retail. Significantly under retail. 110, some of them are going on sale for 100 based on the size. So this could be an easy pickup. So the story behind these shoes, before I get to show you guys the detail, is when we had initially got these in, I passed on them because I was going to get these, but I passed on them because we got the True Blue mids in. The video that I was surprised is actually doing really well. Compared to, because I put the True Blue mid and the True Blue retros out. True Blue mid is blowing up. People are loving that gray. People are loving the color blocking with the blue laces. But I had these and I said, you know what, I'm gonna pass on them. I'm gonna get the mid because they don't pay us that much. So I had to choose between two mids to put in perspective. But I ended up passing, and I think I passed on them twice because they kind of sat for a little bit. But we actually just got a restock in them. So I was like, I had the money for it. I've been pretty financially responsible. And since I had passed on them and they restocked on them, I figured that as a sign of, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get them because I can afford to get them. So I went ahead and got them. So that's the story behind those. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not crazy about this shoe. Like I wasn't super excited to get it. It was more of I like them, and it's kind of like Pokemon out here. I want to catch them all. I like them, and I like them enough to get them. I wouldn't go out of my way to get them. I'll say that. If I had to choose, obviously like I did, I wouldn't get them if I had to choose between others. But I didn't have to choose for this. But I'm going to show you guys the detail of it real quick. Again, your standard mid. We have our standard leather here. As you can tell, we do have a red interior for those that like that. There's a size 12 with the black Jordan. We got contrast on the toe, on the tongue, excuse me, right here with the red. And it's pretty black. Black and red, obviously a very popular colorway for a Jordan, obviously with Chicago. But let me know what you guys think. I'm happy I got them. It's funny because my coworkers at Shoe Palace don't get those. Why are you getting them? And when I had bought them, my buddy Paul hit me up talking about some return them. I was like, don't worry about my collection. Paul is just a little jelly belly because my mids are fire and my mids can go toe to toe with all the shoes he has. All right. So Paul, you have 24 hours to respond. Anyway, that's Paul's my guy. So there's a lot of mixed reviews. They obviously sat. We got a restock, and I do believe they're going to sit. But why not, kind of thing. And I wear a lot of black. I like black. I'm cool with red. So why not add it to the collection to keep it growing? But I'm gonna throw these on feet real quick, and we're gonna go from there. Alrighty, I'm honestly not gonna lie. After I put them on feet, the way the red laces mesh with the red toe box, I'm actually kind of loving these shoes. It's something, I don't know why shoes look so much different on feet to where you can really appreciate the artistry and details on shoes. Because here's what I'm seeing when I see these. So we gotta have black outlining here, right? And we have the black tongue. And obviously the red Air Jordan here is contrasting with the laces and the toe box. But if you look down the middle, we have the red, then you have the laces that kind of mesh with the black tongue. Then you have the contrast here. But if you also look, we have the red interior. It also might be because I have the black socks, which is more contrast. But we see the red interior, and to contrast with the red interior, we have this red lining. And then that's not to mention the red swoosh, but just looking from up here, then the red swoosh is complementing the center of the shoe. So we got the center, and then when you get here, it bows out red. Y'all see how I'm seeing it? Like this. We got red, then it splits, red down the side. And then we have the contrast here, lining interior, swoosh. I'm actually loving these on foot. I think they look 10 times better on foot, but that's just me. That's my preference. They're starting to grow on me, and it's barely been a minute with these on my feet. But let me know what you guys think. That's kind of how I see my shoes when I put them on. I look for details like those. But let me know what you guys think, if you like them, if you think they're okay. And that's going to be all for this week's episode of Shoe Game. So catch you guys next time.